Okay, as you can see, it's raining just south of us down there. There's been some frequent lightning. Got some pretty dark clouds right above us. And there's lightning back to the north and to the west, so let me swing to the west and show you it's pretty dark over here as well. See right there? It's pretty dark. And so it's raining all around us, just not right at our location at this moment. Oh, I'm starting to hear a little bit of thunder now. I think we got that. I think we got another good shot right there. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. Did you guys see that? Oh, that was good. Don't know if we caught that on the screen though. I think maybe. Probably obscured by the tree a little bit. Oh, look at that Cooper's hawk. Oh, that was cool. I don't know if you saw that. Look at all these birds getting out of his way. Cooper's hawks hunt other birds, so. Oh, I think we got that. Wow, that was a great one. There was another one. Caught that one. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I'm hearing more thunder. I don't know if that means it's getting closer or not, but maybe the freeway's just quieter. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's going to be a great one. Beautiful. Beautiful, that one. Don't know if I got that. There's another nice one. Good one. I don't know if I got it all. That was a nice one across the sky. Oh, it's beautiful. That was gorgeous.